Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Litter Box Crystals is probably one of the most innovative solutions for cat owners seeking to combat litter box odors and maintain a fresher home environment, offering a unique approach to odor control that goes beyond traditional litter additives by utilizing specialized crystal technology to absorb and neutralize smells at their source, thereby creating a more pleasant atmosphere for both pets and people alike. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray. Tired of daily scooping? This system is designed for automatic litter boxes, giving you weeks of hands-free cleaning. Enjoy a fresher home with minimal effort. Our silica gel crystals absorb liquid and dry waste instantly, eliminating odors 5 times better than traditional litter. The fresh scent crystals provide an extra layer of odor protection. The lightweight, leak-proof plastic liners make this disposable tray a convenient choice for any pet parent. Easy to use and dispose of, it's perfect for on the go or at home. From our US roots to a global reach, we are dedicated to providing vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We aim to create fields of joy for pets and their families. Since 1998, we have been committed to creating safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and strengthen the lifelong bond you share with your furry companions. What we like? This product offers a truly hands-free cleaning experience. The disposable tray system means you never have to scoop again. If you are looking for the ultimate convenience and want to avoid touching cat waste altogether, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Cat smell is near non-existent unless you just happen to be unlucky enough to go right next to the box in the 2-minute window between when your cat took a giant stinky and the time your box takes it away. Once it's raked, the smell is totally gone. Slide used tray out, cover it with included lid, slide new tray in. The whole process takes less than 15 seconds and there's absolutely zero cleaning involved. The crystal litter itself is fantastic. We have 2 cats, and the odor control is really impressive. It absorbs moisture so well, and as long as you swap it out when the indicator tells you to, or when you just generally feel it's time, depending on your cat traffic, you barely smell a thing. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Odor Control Crystal Cat Litter. Experience odor control that's 5 times better than traditional clumping litter. This advanced crystal litter absorbs moisture and solidifies waste, eliminating odors before they start. Enjoy up to 30 days of freshness from a single bag in a 1-cat home. Its ultra-absorbent silica crystals provide long-lasting odor protection. Say goodbye to dust and tracking. This litter is 99% dust-free and low tracking, meaning less mess for you to clean up around the litter box. Perfectly designed for our PetSafe ScoopFree self-cleaning litter boxes, it also works wonderfully as a refill for any standard litter box or tray. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for your pets. Trust us to provide the best for your furry family members. Discover our full line of innovative pet products, from advanced litter solutions to training tools and accessories, all designed to enhance your pet's life. What we like? Experience significantly less mess with this low-dust, low-tracking litter. It's designed to keep your floors cleaner with minimal effort. If you're tired of constantly sweeping up litter and want a cleaner home environment, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The crystals are very absorbent and help control odor. Easy to clean and maintain, just scoop out the waste. The crystals last a long time, reducing the need for frequent changes. Number 3. PetSafe Anti-Tracking Litter Mat, Small Size. Tired of litter tracking all over your home? This mat is designed to trap litter right at the source, keeping your floors clean. Whether you use crystal, clay, or alternative litters, this mat is compatible. It handles all types with ease. Accidents happen, but messes don't have to. Its double-layer backing provides excellent leak-proof protection for your floors. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply shake out the trapped litter or use a vacuum attachment for quick and easy maintenance. Your pet's safety is paramount. This mat is made with BPA-free materials, ensuring peace of mind for you and your furry friend. The small size is specifically designed to fit perfectly under your litter box, providing full coverage and maximum litter trapping. For over 20 years, PetSafe has been a leader in pet innovations. Trust us to help keep your pet healthy, safe, and happy. What we like? Keep your floor spotless with this innovative litter mat. It effectively traps litter, preventing it from scattering around your home. If you have issues with litter tracking and want a simple, effective way to maintain a cleaner living space, this mat is a must-have. What people say. The crystals are very absorbent and help control odor. Easy to clean and maintain, just scoop out the waste. The crystals last a long time, reducing the need for frequent changes. Number 2. Petcove PurrTek Automatic Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Tired of scooping? This automatic litter box sifts waste after every use, sealing it away. Enjoy a hands-free, odor-free home 24/7. Its compact design fits perfectly in any room. Despite its size, it offers advanced odor control for a consistently fresh home. Experience superior odor elimination with its sealed waste bin, deodorizing fan, and negative ion system. It keeps your home smelling fresh, even with multiple cats. Manage everything from the app. Schedule cleanings, monitor activity, and receive alerts, all from your smartphone. Designed for your cat's comfort with a spacious interior and easy entry. It also features advanced safety sensors for their protection. The large capacity waste bin means fewer bag changes, even with multiple cats. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pets. Cleaning is a breeze. The waste bag is easily changed, and the main components detach quickly for simple maintenance. Enjoy a hassle-free, fresh litter box. What we like. This automatic self-cleaning litter box offers unparalleled convenience and freshness. With smart app control, you can manage it remotely, and its triple odor control system keeps your home smelling great. If you have a busy lifestyle or multiple cats and desire a truly hands-off, odor-free solution, this is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. The crystals are very absorbent and help control odor. Easy to clean and maintain, just scoop out the waste. The crystals last a long time, reducing the need for frequent changes. Number 1. PetSafe ScoopFree Premium Crystal Cat Litter. Experience unparalleled freshness with our ultra-absorbent silica crystals. They quickly eliminate odors, dry waste, and lock in moisture for a consistently clean litter box. Enjoy a cleaner home with our non-clumping, dust-free formula. It minimizes tracking and is gentle on your cat's sensitive paws, reducing the need for constant sweeping. This crystal litter works perfectly in standard litter boxes. Its lightweight and resealable packaging makes it easy to carry and store when not in use. From our U.S. origins to our global presence, we provide vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to creating joyful environments for your pets with excellent customer support. For over 25 years, since 1998, we have been crafting safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and strengthen the lifelong bond you share with your beloved companions. What we like. Enjoy long-lasting freshness with this ultra-absorbent crystal litter. It effectively locks in moisture and controls odors, making maintenance a breeze. If you prefer a low-maintenance litter that keeps your home smelling fresh for extended periods and works with standard litter boxes, this is an excellent option. What people say. The crystals are very absorbent and help control odor. Easy to clean and maintain, just scoop out the waste. The crystals last a long time, reducing the need for frequent changes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.